everyone is enjoying the night so far. I am so grateful to the San Francisco Assamese community for giving me the platform to develop myself towards becoming a professional musician. My debut single with Zubeen Garg is releasing soon, and I hope that you can give it the same love and support that you have given me for so long. Ahom is made up of many different ethnic groups, each with their own subtle varieties in the way they sing, dance, and do other things. This creates a rich and diverse culture that I love so much. So tonight, I wanted to introduce you to a song sung by the Tiwa group, but using Assamese lyrics instead of the tiwa, although I may have unknowingly made some mistakes. In doing so, I learned many archaic Assamese words, such as gobori and hando. I also learned that before lipstick hit the shelves, the Ohomia alternative was to use borhon to stain your lips. Coming back to the Tiwa tribe, in the Ohomia Buronji, they were referred to as something else. How many of you think you know what they used to be called? Make some noise when you think you hear the right answer. Assamese History 101. Okay, some old school Kahoot. Ask your parents to help you out. Give it up if you think it's the boro. Alright. What about the missing? Okay, Dimasa? Well, last but definitely not least, this is the right answer. Give it up for the Lalung. You guys are right. And the Lalung people's slight variations can absolutely be noticed in the beginning with my hayois, in the dhul beats that persist throughout, and in the dance moves, which I will definitely try to squeeze in. I hope you all enjoy hearing something a little different tonight. The Toby?
লাগিব